Welcome to Future Living. A future where a home is not just a passive building, but an abode which takes care of you. A home that enables responsible and sustainable living. A home that cares, protects, saves, optimizes. The future is here, now. A smart home of the future is not a home which flashes technology at you for no reason. It is the same sweet home where you feel relaxed, secure, and derive comforts. It also gently elevates your living to a different level. So, let us witness a typical day in that future home. Morning mood. It's morning. Time to wake up. Hey Google, I am awake. Okay Google, what is my schedule for the day?
At 11 a.m., you have meeting with board members. Then, at 2:30 p.m., you have stand-up meeting with sales team.
Perhaps catch up on some news. Watch the curtains responding to TV, a true interactive system. Time to leave for work. Hey Google, goodbye. Lights turn off. AC is switched off. Day mood. Now you have left your home. The home knows that you are not there, so it takes actions to secure your home and avoid energy wastage. The security system automatically turns on. Now the home is protected and it ensures that no energy is unnecessarily wasted. But it does not stop here. There are several situations that we may come across in our lives where we won't know what to do. But this home takes you to a completely different level and ensures that you are always in control. You're worried about what you did when you left the home? Whether you have closed the doors, left the gas open? No issues. Just flip your phone and check that out. It's 4 p.m. Your online delivery person is in front of the door. You're answering through the app to either leave the package in front of the door or with the neighbor. Evening mood. Lights are set to the right mood to give you that welcoming ambience. AC is turned on to ensure you're welcomed with the right temperature. Curtains are opened again to give you the view you need. And of course, your smart assistant will welcome you. Dinner mood. It's dinner time and the house readies itself. Movie night. Time to watch a movie. You turn on the smart TV and the lights know that the TV is turned on, so they set themselves automatically to TV watching mode. You're watching your favorite movie on the big screen, and the front door bell is ringing. No need to search for your phone or move out from your sofa. Just simply click on the notification that pops up on the TV and unlock the doors from your smart TV itself. Or maybe it was a party you wanted that day. Hey Google, party time. The space gets converted. Good night mood. End of a long day. Time to retire. Your home gently sets itself to ensure you get peaceful sleep. Set the AC temperature to your comfort level. Switch off the AC fan to reduce noise. Switch off all lights. Good night. Isn't it great to live every day this way? With our home automation system, you can. Because the smart home is not just a future of living, it's a way of living.